Welcome to Let's Play Klondike Solitaire, where we are going to be tackling a random game of Klondike Solitaire. Let's go ahead and get started here. And keep our fingers crossed that we can't maneuver out of this. Now, I typically like to save cards from the draw pile as insurance for later. There's nothing yet, but we're going to see what we can do. This is going to be a little bit tricky because, well, there are some low cards, and sometimes it's not a good idea to play low cards. Sometimes it is. We may have to use the undo button later to find out, but let's go ahead and get started here. We can play the 3, 6, and the 7. We can play that. Ooh, that's a good card for us. We're going to move that up top. Let's see here. The 3 can go up top. That's actually a really good card for us because that's going to open up one of these columns should we find a king in the draw pile or somewhere else later. This 2 of diamonds, it's questionable whether or not to play it. Since we don't have a card in here on the foundation pile, it may not be a good idea to play it. Going to gamble a little bit and going to bring this down and play this 2 of clubs and see. Oh, that's a really good gamble there. And we can move this up. Now we can move the 3 of hearts back up, and the diamonds goes up as well. And here, this is going back to the 2 of diamonds thing. Why I didn't like playing that. But you know, it may have opened up some other cards, so maybe a moot point there. But would like to play this 4 of clubs. Gonna have to find a diamond card first. Let's go through the draw pile here. Nothing. Oh, that's a really good card. This may be like a super easy game. We'll see. That goes up top. Used to play in the tough games. Clubs goes up top. We can move that club up top. We can move this diamond up top, and we can, I think I'm going to hold off on the king for now. Just to see, oh, you know what? I'm going to play the king because a red queen will allow us to move this jack, should we find a red queen somewhere. And we'll see how this goes. Let's see here. Oh, there's a red queen. Wow, what a coincidence. Okay, we can move this over, and we're going to move this heart over. And we're going to see if we can't whittle down these columns right here. Okay. We can move that down, and need a 5 of clubs. Not that that would help us a ton. Okay. Let's keep our fingers crossed here. Now remember that red 7 at the end? Let's show that red 7 right there. I am hoping strongly that we can get this. I think we will be able to because we can maneuver the 3 of spades by pulling this 4 of hearts down if we have to. We're going to need to get that red 7 out so we can pull the. There's a black 6 in the front. We want to be able to pull this because pulling this card will affect the rest of the draw pile and may give us a chance to solve this or at least give us a run for these columns here. So, okay, that's a good. We're going to save this as insurance. And look at the other cards first. Okay, this card will play. We'll play the 9, and we can play either 8. Going to play this 8 to see what's underneath it. May use the undo button if necessary. That's a really good card. That's a spade. And, yeah, we'll see how this plays out. Okay. There's the 7 that we wanted to play desperately. And let's see. Gonna play the 3. It's not always good to bring these low cards down if they can't go up top here because they can actually jam up. So I may be regretting this move, but we'll see. Gonna put the 6 down here. And gonna play the queen. We'll get the black jack down, but we need a red jack really to move this 10 pile. Yeah, we're gonna really need a 2 of spades, which maybe I think it's tied up in the columns because I don't see it up in the draw pile. So it may be a little bit of a conundrum here. I should have not brought that 6 down. I'm gonna have to go back. Oop, let's put this in reverse here. Made a mistake here. This 6 should not go down. If there's 2 black 6s, you always want to play the one in the front unless you have a really, really good reason, which we don't right here. So we're going to play the 6 in the front when we get a chance. We can play the red queen, though. Again, saving the 6 for insurance. Okay. That's the 10 of hearts. Let's see what else we got here. Okay. Gonna play the 10 of hearts. And that means this 9 will be in the front. But we don't have any red 8. Oh, we do have red 8 right there. And that'll allow us to get the 7 column open, which will be good. So we're going to go ahead and play that sequence there. And not playing the 6, of course. We're going to save that as insurance. So we're going to play the 9. And then again, we're going to play this red 8. That was in the draw pile we're talking about. And that allows us to open up this 7 of clubs column right here. And it's not the best card, but it's not the worst card. We're going to play it right there. And, okay. I think there's a black queen up in the draw pile somewhere. So maybe we can move this red jack. Maybe we can open up this column right here with the 10 of clubs. That would be great. Let's go back. Oh, yes, there it is. The black queen that I remember. Couldn't remember the exact sequence. Again, saving this as insurance. All right. All right. Now we got a legitimate chance of solving this as long as there's no major screw-ups. I may consider moving hearts up. We'll see how this goes. Let's see here. Oh, no, that's a 5 of diamonds there. Gonna be, well, there's no more diamonds to play. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, nothing there. Now remember, we had this insurance card. We're gonna go all the way, or just start from the start here. We're gonna play this insurance card right here, and that will allow us to pull this 5 of diamonds down. It'll allow us to pull this red jack down, which is very important. And yeah, that should help us a ton. Okay, we're going to save the 5 of diamonds. This is going to be our insurance card. And we can move this red jack, though. We're going to play that. We can move this 10 of clubs right here. Okay, that 8. It's an interesting card. And not the card I wanted to see, but let's see if we can maneuver something here. So, nothing there. Let's go through again. We have the 5. It's going to come down to what is under this 4 column here. Preferably like a 2 of spades. That would be my preferred card. And I think that's... No, we can move... We're going to move the cards in the back first before we play this 5 of diamonds. We are going to play the rest of the cards in the back of the draw pile. That way we can lower the amount of cards in that draw pile. And of course we're trying to work this column down too. I think we got 6 cards left. We'll keep our fingers crossed that one of those cards works. So nothing there, and it looks like nothing there. Okay, we're going to keep our fingers crossed there. We're going to need a king at some point too. We'll see what we found here. Now we're going to pull the 5 of diamonds down, and of course that's a 4 of spades right there. Okay, that's a good card. We can also move the 7 of spades under here. We will. I'm going to look. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to be the move because there's really no other moves here. So we're going to move the 7 of spades. We're going to move the 6 of hearts. That opens up the 7 of hearts right here, which is really good. And now we can move our queen up top, which is great, actually. Let's see here. I'm not sure what order I want to play this in. I'm going to play this 9 of hearts like it is. And then going to play this. Queen. Oh. No, that's not the sequence I want there. You might be able to whittle this pile down without. Otherwise, I'm going to have to redo that sequence up top. Wanted to bring the jack of diamonds down if possible, because then we can move this 10. Let's see what we can do here. Before that, let's see. Okay, we got 5 of clubs, 6 of clubs up top. And we need 5 of diamonds. We can't do that. Yeah, gonna have to go back to that sequence there. Let's see if we can't manipulate the draw pile the right way here. Okay, let me put my brain on again here. Let's see what we got here. There was a 5 of diamonds. That was our insurance card. And then that. Queen. Okay. So 5 of diamonds right there. 4 of spades. The 7 went under here. And then the 10, let's see. The queen had to go under a red king. I think that may be the same sequence. Let's see here. That doesn't help. Oh, okay. That has to go, let's see here. You need to get that red jack. That red jack's not going to be the first card, though, is it? Five, 6. Do we have a 7 and 8? We can't do the 7 and 8 because this 4 of spades is blocking everything. Alright, let's try the undo button again and see what we can't figure out here. And it was, okay, the 4 of spades is blocking. We have to move the 4 of spades, so this may not be a solvable game. Let's see. Let me replay the insurance cards here and see what I can come up with here. Alright, let's see. The 6 of spades we were playing for insurance. No, I don't want to play that yet. We need this jack. We also need the 5. Let's see, there's nothing there. There was a 6, but we don't want to play that 6 because that just destroys the game. Well, you know what? We could play that 6. 5, 6, right? Okay. We play that 6 in the sequence right there. Now the question is, can we do something different? Alright, the 6 was the 6 of spades was the insurance card we used. Okay, we're going to pull that down. And let's see if we can't figure this out here. No. Okay, 5 of diamonds is going to be the next card down. And we're going to have, we're going to move this 10 again. Let's see how this goes. Okay. 10 is going to go last, or is it? Should we play that? No, we did play that first. Okay, so that goes there. And then the sequence goes like that. And then there's a 5 of diamonds. Here's a 7, 6. 7 there. We didn't want to go 10, 9. We needed the red jack, didn't we? We needed the red jack. Alright, we need the red jack. So if we need the red jack, maybe we shouldn't be playing that. Let's see. Alright, let me try a different approach here. So let's go back. We need that red jack. Maybe we can't play the other red jack first, play this red jack second, and then do something. Maybe. We'll see. So 5 of diamonds is going to go first. We'll play the 4, and then the 7 of hearts goes under there, under the 8. Okay. Now we're going to try to play this red jack first, not this one. And see if we can't solve it back to... Oh, that's a 10, right? There's 2 10s there. Okay. This makes it interesting here. Okay. So that 10 was that. We didn't like that, but we can play this 10, perhaps. And now we need a black jack. Or a... let's see, a black 9. Let's see. I'm getting confused, too. Hopefully I'm not confusing you as well. Okay, that's good. We can move that card. Oh, that's a perfect card. The 2 of spades. Okay, I think we may have figured this one out. 4 hearts up top. 4 of spades. 5 of spades. I'm going to move the 2 diamonds. The 5 of diamonds. And, of course, the 6 of diamonds. It's going to allow us to move the 6 of hearts over here. And we've got the king uncovered. And there should be a black queen behind here, which will allow us to move this red jack. Yep, there's a black queen. We're going to move that black queen right there. And, of course, we're going to move this red jack. And, of course, we're going to move this black 10 right here and 9. And then, yeah, we pretty much solved it. So that one was very, very tricky. But I'm happy to solve it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope this helps your thought process in terms of, I mean, this is a game where a lot of times we're just going to give up because it's like, well, this doesn't work, this doesn't work, this doesn't work, I quit. But fortunately, we were able to figure out a way to win here, and I would just like to thank you for sticking around and wish you good luck. Thanks for watching.